Hi there. Let's go through a brief overview of some of the new features and enhancements available in Jamf Pro 10.46. Declarative Device Management is a new Apple framework for autonomously reporting system changes and initiating remediation. With Jamf Pro 10.46, we're adding status channel support to report three new fields: Operating System Supplemental Build Version, Operating System Rapid Security Response, and Mobile Device Passcode Compliance. In this example mobile device inventory record, we see in the security payload that this device has a passcode and is currently compliant. If this device has its passcode removed, the status in Jamf Pro quickly updates to be not compliant. These new fields benefit from Declarative Device Management's faster and more reliable status reporting outside of routine inventory reporting. In Jamf Pro 10.46, volume purchasing location workflows have been redesigned with a modernized interface and streamlined processes for an improved user experience. Let's go to Settings, Global, Volume Purchasing. Choose a location and click the Content tab. Here we see an updated layout that allows us to filter by content type. We can also click on Settings to update what's shown in the layout and pin columns left or right so they are always visible while scrolling. It's important to note the Update Purchase Content and Individual App Refresh buttons have been removed and are no longer necessary. Jamf Pro 10.46 adds further enhancements to directory services, building upon Jamf Pro 10.45's updates and improving the performance of specific membership calculations in Jamf Pro by retaining LDAP data for the duration of the operation. To enable this new feature, let's go to Settings, LDAP Servers, and select our LDAP server. Next, let's click Mappings, User Group Membership Mappings, and then click Edit. Here we have the option to select Membership Calculation Optimization to enable this feature. These settings are also available under the Server Configuration tab for cloud identity providers. Before enabling this in your environment, be sure to try it in a test instance to ensure everything is working as intended before deploying to your production environment. We're very excited to introduce a new local admin password solution feature, otherwise known as LAPS, to the Jamf Pro API, enabling admins to set, rotate, and audit local administrator passwords. This highly requested feature is in preview and available first through the Jamf Pro API while we continue refining this feature in future versions of Jamf Pro. These new local admin password endpoints can be used to enable LAPS for admin accounts that were created through a pre-stage enrollment, get the current LAPS password for the admin account, and audit who has been viewing LAPS information. For those interested in exploring this new feature through the Jamf Pro API, be sure to test it out thoroughly before applying it to your entire organization. That's it for a quick overview of some of the new features and enhancements available in Jamf Pro 10.46. Be sure to go to the Jamf Pro section of learn.jamf.com to review all of the new features and enhancements, important notices, and resolved issues. Thanks for watching.